guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm super excited because I've been waiting forever for it to come in, but the Radiations Bobscotch metallic pull station, and there is a fire alarm in here, and I want you guys to guess it. And you guys put it in the comments below and you'll see if you'll get it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera so I can open this real quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this. So guys, I don't know if the alarm that's in here is gonna be bubble wrap. So I'm gonna hand it in here. Okay. Just firmly seal. No, that's okay. I guess I do need a knife. Okay. I'm not sure. The package is up good. I'm excited. I've been waiting for 4 days, I think. Oh, that's fine now. Like, I did want to keep it, but you know, I can get these for free at the post office. Doesn't really matter. Okay, here's the Radiations station. So you can see it right here. Safe buttons. Okay, here we go. I hope it has a button in it. Whoa, that is nice. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it would be. I don't care if it's adjustable. Yeah, I think it is adjustable, but I think I can just unsolder these or unscrew them and I can take it out, so I don't really care. If I ever do get a know that's non-adjustable. It's a piece of out that out of a glass rod. Maybe I'll open that in a video. I'll do doing the glass rod. Okay, I'm not really sure if I don't want to break it. Let's check it. I really hope it has a button. Are those screws for this thing? I think they are. Yes, it is a button. Okay. That's cool. Hey, here we go. Okay, what about 3, 2, 1. That is so cool. And tomorrow, in another video, I'm getting the lift and pull part. So yeah. So now we just, it only in sideways. I'm used to it usually only opening. Oh, set that off. I was holding it by that. I shouldn't have done. Well, we're gonna open the alarm now. Oh, that's a resistor. Oh, we don't need that. And whatever this thing is. Okay, let's open it the next thing. Okay, so here we go. The lights are off. Oh, wait. Okay, so I'm saying that with the Radiations pull station is the pull down bar. It's a lot. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Put your guesses in the comments now if you haven't. If you're on a kid YouTube channel, that's okay if you can't. I can feel this terrible. Okay. Well, yeah. Let me take this one off. This is the most excited about. Oh, and the Radiations. Here we go. You guessed. I said it was the most common alarm. I have it. Woo! Nice. We got 3, 2, 1. If you guessed a Spectral Alert Advanced, you would have gotten it right. So this is a P2R. You can see the candela selector. It's a huge strobe. Or take out the mounting bracket. So you have all the tones. So these, and it's set on temporal 3, which is, if you didn't know, it's code 3, which is Can I use this key? No, I just don't have a screwdriver just in case. Now it's on tempo 3 low. Okay, so I'm gonna wire this up real quick and I'll be back when I'm done wiring. I'm gonna wire it to this pull station. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done wiring it.